Ibiza is a Spanish island located in the Mediterranean Sea, off the eastern coast of the Iberian Peninsula. It is part of the Balearic Islands, which are an autonomous community of Spain. Ibiza is known for its stunning beaches, vibrant nightlife, and picturesque landscapes. Key features and aspects of Ibiza include nightlife. Ibiza is famous for its world-renowned nightlife and electronic dance music (EDM) scene. The island is home to numerous nightclubs, beach clubs, and bars that host internationally renowned DJs and artists. Clubs like Pasha, Amnesia, Ushuaia, and DC-10 are some of the most iconic venues on the island. Beaches. Ibiza boasts beautiful beaches with crystal-clear waters and sandy shores. Some of the popular beaches include Playa den Bossa, Talamanca, Cala Comte, Cala Jondal, and Esses Salines. These beaches offer opportunities for relaxation, water sports, and enjoying the Mediterranean sun. Cultural heritage. Ibiza has a rich history and cultural heritage. The old town of Ibiza, known as Dalt Vila, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It features ancient walls, cobblestone streets, historic buildings, and a stunning cathedral. The architecture and layout reflect the island's Phoenician, Roman, Moorish, and Catalan influences. Hippie culture. In the 1960s and 1970s, Ibiza gained popularity as a haven for hippies and free-spirited individuals. The island's bohemian atmosphere and laid-back lifestyle attracted artists, musicians, and other creative individuals. The legacy of the hippie movement can still be felt in certain parts of Ibiza. Natural beauty. Beyond its nightlife and beaches, Ibiza offers diverse natural landscapes. From rocky cliffs to lush hillsides, visitors can explore hiking trails, caves, and panoramic viewpoints. The island's natural beauty is a draw for those seeking a more tranquil and scenic experience. Local cuisine. Ibiza's cuisine features Mediterranean flavors, with an emphasis on fresh seafood, olive oil, and locally grown produce. Traditional dishes include boulet de pêche, fish stew, and sofrit pages, a meat and vegetable stew. Summer tourism. Ibiza experiences a peak in tourism during the summer months, when people from around the world flock to the island for its vibrant parties, sunny weather, and lively atmosphere. Many tourists come to enjoy the beaches and the energetic nightlife scene. Eclectic crowd. Ibiza attracts a diverse range of visitors, from partygoers and celebrities to families and couples. The island's offerings cater to a wide spectrum of interests and preferences. Overall, Ibiza is a unique destination that combines its historical charm, natural beauty, and pulsating nightlife to create a vibrant and memorable experience for visitors.